Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Skullcandy push ANC active wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear and you've tried syncing the earbuds together and it didn't work. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is any variety of situations where you want to have it forget all of the pairing history so that it doesn't connect to any of the old devices, so that you can connect it to a new device just like you're taking it out of the box for the first time. This will do it. All we need to do is, first of all, they should be in the case, turned off, and then we should go and turn the Bluetooth off on our phone or anything like that, because we're going to take them out of the case, they're going to turn on, and we don't want them to connect to anything. So once that happens, we can go ahead and take them out of the case. They'll make a tone telling you that they've turned on, and then you're just going to come and press simultaneously on both of the earbuds. You're going to press and hold the raised dot, the little bump on the rocker button, for 6 seconds, simultaneously holding both. And you'll hear a tone that will indicate the successful reset. Both of the earbuds will flash yellow and then blue, and then a voice prompt will go to ready to pair, which means they're back in pairing, and then they'll start to pulse in blue in pairing mode. Then you can go turn the Bluetooth back on your phone and go ahead and set them up like a new set of earbuds.